Good afternoon to all. This is Jyotirmoy Nanda and welcome to your channel Botany Now. आमे एही वीडियो रे ओस्टेट रे आसीथिबा बॉटनी क्वेश्चन रो आंसर डिस्कशन करिवा। मु एठी सेट ए रे दिया जाइथिबा क्वेश्चन रो आंसर डिस्क्राइब करिछि। प्राय सब सेट रे क्वेश्चन सेम रहउछि एवं नंबर भितर ओनली डिफरेंस आसुछि। सो आपण माने क्वेश्चन रो आंसर ठीक भाबे चेक करनेबे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, binomial nomenclature was first employed by Linnaeus in the book. Option A, Species Plantarum, option B, Systema Naturae, option C, Genera Plantarum, and option D, Fundamenta Botanica. Binomial nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus, and Linnaeus described this system in his book Systema Naturae. So, the right answer is option B, Systema Naturae. Number 62, which is not a type of in situ conservation habitat. What do you mean by in situ conservation? In situ conservation means the process of protecting an endangered plant or animal species in its natural habitat. So here the botanical garden is not the in situ type of conservation. So the correct answer is option number D, that is botanical garden. Then question number 63. The initial acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 plant is ribulose 5-phosphate, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So here the correct answer is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. That is option B is the right answer. Then question number 64. In trees, the growth rings represent. Options are secondary phloem, cork cambium, secondary xylem, primary xylem. So what do you mean by growth rings? The formation of annual ring is due to the So what do you mean by growth rings? The growth ring in tree are called the annual ring. The formation of annual rings is due to the variation in the phloem and xylem of the tree, which are formed from the cambium of the tree. So here the right answer is the cork cambium. In tree the growth rings represent cork cambium. Number 65. Meristematic tissues from which lateral roots originate are known as. Here the right answer is pericycle. From pericycle, lateral roots originate. Then question number 66. Potato, tomato and tobacco belong to the family. Options are Brassicaceae, Malvaceae, Solanaceae and Papilionaceae. Here Solanaceae is the correct answer. So potato, tomato and tobacco belongs to the family Solanaceae. Then question number 67. Which one of the histogen theory from apical meristem can be compared with tunica of tunica corpus theory? Options are dermatogen, periplem, plerome and calyptrogen. Here the right answer is dermatogen. Dermatogen is compared with tunica of the tunica corpus theory. So the right answer is option number A, that is dermatogen. Then question number 68. Which type of plant have no seizable photorespiration? Options are C2, C3, C4 and CAM. In plant C4 plant show a special type of anatomy known as the cranch anatomy. So the C4 plant do not show photorespiration. So here the correct answer is option number C, that is C4. In C4 plant, the plants have no seizable photorespiration. Then question number 69. Coralloid roots are present in. Options are Pinus, Cycas, Netum and Ephedra. So here the option B is the right answer, that is Cycas show the coralloid roots, or the coralloid roots are the characteristic feature of the Cycas. Then question number 70. The basic structure of all chlorophyll consists of option A pheophytin, option B flavoprotein, option C porphyrin, and option D plastocyanin. The chlorophyll consists of porphyrin head and a phytal side chain. So here the porphyrin is the correct answer. That is option C is the correct answer. Then which growth regulator is present in the maximum amount in coconut milk? Options are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin and ethylene. So here cytokinin always promote the cell division. So the coconut milk is the liquid endosperm. So here the option B is the right answer. Then question number 72. Which are the essential holes of a flower? Options are calyx and corolla, corolla and androecium, androecium and gynoecium, calyx and gynoecium. So there are 4 holes, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Out of these 4, the calyx and corolla is known as the accessory hole and androecium, gynoecium are known as the essential hole. So here option C is the right answer. That is androecium and gynoecium are the essential holes of the flower. Then question number 73. Synthesis of hydrolyzing enzyme during germination is induced by options are gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, indolacetic acid and ethylene. Here the right answer is gibberellic acid. Then question number 74. A small part of the plant cutting used in tissue culture is called. Options are cutting, explant, stalk and meristem. Here the right answer is the explant. Then 75. Bottle shaped fertile structure of penicillium bearing conidia in chains are called phyalides, columella, ascus and vesicle. So here the bottle shaped structure that penicillium bear are known as the sterigmata. So sterigmata एटी ऑप्शन रे नाही, but the right answer is sterigmata. Then question number 76. In which character does a pandemic disease differ from epidemics? Options are occur in vast areas, destructive form, caused by pathogen, occurs in small areas. So what is the difference between epidemics and pandemic? Epidemics means sudden outbreak of a disease in a certain geographical area, and pandemic is disease that has spread across several countries or the area. So here option A is the right answer, occurs in vast areas. Then question number 77. A hybrid tall pea plant was crossed with pure tall plant and a percentage of phenotypic tall plants were observed in a next filial generation. What will be the correct result? So here se dela a hybrid tall pea plant was crossed with pure tall plant. Hybrid tall pea plant mean capital T small t. हाइब्रिड टॉल पाई आम ये क्यारेक्टर लिखिपर जीनोटाइप देन यहाँ क्रॉस हम क्या सहित ना परसेंटेज प्योर टॉल प्लांट सहित तो मैंने कैपिटल टी सहित. सो हियर दुईटा गैमेट प्रोड्यूस हो पार कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी एथुर दुईटा गैमेट प्रोड्यूस हो पार कैपिटल टी. सो आर जिते आम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ड्र करवा तो गोटे आसो कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी गैमेट को आम रखीदे देन तापर आम देखा दुईटा आसुची कैपिटल टी देन गोटे सेमती हाइब्रिड आसला सेमती हाइब्रिड आस. सो हियर व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट रिजल्ट? तो 50-50 एठी हमर करेक्ट रिजल्ट आसो. 50% हाइब्रिड रहबो आउ 50% प्योर टॉल प्लांट रहबो. So the correct answer is option number B. Option number B is the correct answer, that is 50%. Then, which is not the feature of Puccinia tilidospore? Option A, thick-walled, smooth with two superimposed cells. Option B, each spore is dark brown or black. Option C, paired nuclei fuse in each cell. Option D, single-celled, binucleate and strongly echinulate. So here option D, option C and option B, these are all the characteristic feature of the Puccinia tilidospore. But option A is not a feature of Puccinia tilidospore, so here option A is the right answer. Then question number 79. An exception to Mendel's law is independent assortment, purity of gamete, dominance and linkage. ଏଇଠି ତିନିଟା ଯାକ law Mendel ଦେଇଥିଲେ, that is independent assortment given by Mendel, purity of gamete also given by Mendel and dominance is also given by Mendel. But linkage Mendel ଦେଇ ନଥିଲେ, ତେଣୁକରି linkage ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା exception to Mendel's law. So the correct answer is option number D. Then question number 80. Which one is unrelated pair? Yeast budding, bacteria fission, Spirogyra zoospore and Ulothrix hochi fermentation. So here reproduction process विषय रे पचारछि. So option A is the right answer. Option A रे रहिछि yeast budding द्वारा reproduction करिथाय. Bacteria also fission द्वारा reproduction करथाय. Ulothrix also fragmentation भावरे reproduction करथाय. But ऑप्शन सी स्पाइरोगाइरा फ्रैगमेंटेशन प्रोसेस रे रिप्रोडक्शन करथाय. सो से लिखिला व्हिच वन इज अनरिलेटेड पेयर, ता माने स्पाइरोगाइरा जूस्पोर, दिस इज द अनरिलेटेड पेयर एंड दिस इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. सो आपण माने निज निजर स्कोर कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करिवे. थैंक यू.